So there's another update on my convertible top. I just wanted to show you that it does go up and down. The cheapest convertible top from eBay. So let's just go in here and we'll open it up. This is what it looks like when it's down. Obviously, that's as far as it goes on this year. No cover, but it goes down okay. And now let's put it back up. Okay, and there you go. Looks great. Works great. So if you have a hole in your convertible top and you really don't want to spend a lot of money, get one from eBay, and then hopefully you can get it installed yourself and save yourself a whole lot of money. It's really not that bad yet.